Bittorrent token holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video I'm talking about BTT token. What's the price of BTT? What's the price changes occurring? What will be the next move of Bittorrent token? And we are also doing a technical analysis trying to detect the next move of Bittorrent. So let's start the video, guys. But before starting this video, guys, if you are new on my channel or if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos. At this time, guys, the current price of Bittorrent token is about 0.003672 USD dollar. That is the current price of Bittorrent, and furthermore you can see here last 1 hour, last 1 day changes of Bittorrent token is completely positive. Only last 1 week changes of Bittorrent token is negative. So only 1 week change is negative, except of these all changes is positive. And I believe, guys, that for a long time Bittorrent token will continue this pump. So just hold, guys. Let's see the price chart for a while. You can see here, guys, from price chart you can see here the price taken jump, but unfortunately from last 2 hours Bittorrent price changes is going negative. But you know what I believe about these changes, that that is temporary changes, and very soon that is temporary falls, guys. After 1 hour, after 2 hours, you found again Bittorrent token is in the positive mode, guys. So just hold, don't worry about these changes, guys. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Bittorrent? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.